Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so today we've got yet another lovely pen for you people. Now, some of you who watch my videos on a regular basis, you'll remember seeing this one in my last pen haul. There we go. A lovely pen. Just a little bit on the tired side, just needs a little bit of TLC. And after that TLC, look at this gorgeous pen. Now what we've got here is yet another pen from a period when, well, some pen manufacturers were making pens for other manufacturers or other retailers. So there was a period when, you know, some companies were making other pens for other people were putting their names on the pen, and this is one of them pens. This is a Stevens LEVERFILL, and it's the number 270 fountain pen. Now, as you can see, it comes in this gorgeous green marble. Let's show you the barrel imprint. Okay, you can see there it's got a lovely barrel imprint that reads Stevens LEVERFILL number 270, made in England. So again, made in England, but by whom? The Stevens company at the time, early 1900s, they were predominantly a ink manufacturer, and they made inks. Now, although they made inks, they didn't actually make pens. So what they did, they outsourced the work, and another company made pens for Stevens. And the other company, I would have said, would have been under the umbrella of maybe Summit and Langs of Liverpool. So I believe this pen was made by Langs of Liverpool for Stevens. And I'm saying this pen was made circa round about the late 1940s, maybe around about 1946. Now, Stevens had quite a number of different pens in their range. They made some, well, they didn't make some, but they sold some very nice pens indeed. And yeah, they made the sort of earlier ones. This one, as I say, at 1946, I would say slightly later, but originally the model numbers of the Stevens pens, like I believe, is it the 106, was actually the price of the pen at that particular period, i.e. 10 shillings and sixpence. Now, in this particular case, a little bit later, the 270, unfortunately, I don't believe it relates to the price of the pen. Although saying that, this particular model, the 270, was actually the top of the range at that particular time. Now, as we said, it's a LEVERFILL pen. You can see it's got quite a plain long lever, as you can see there. You can see the cap there. It's got these two cap bands to the bottom of the cap. And then if we show you the clip there, okay. Now the clip is very much, in my opinion, from the Summit pen company, because this particular clip also appears on the national security pen made by Summit. Okay. Now, if we go to the top there, the tassi, the finial, the top, you can see is just in black, which complements the end of the barrel there. The size of this pen capped is 130 millimeters capped, and round sort of the diameter, it's around about 12 millimeters in diameter. And as you can clearly see, comes in this lovely green and black marbling pattern. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, as well as a quality made pen. And once again, I've said it numerous times, these pens are as good as any of the major manufacturers of that period. Okay, so let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you a couple of little twirls, show you the pen, sort of different angles. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned, it's been fully disassembled, we've put a brand new sack in it. Not only have we put a brand new sack, when I actually disassembled it, the original J-bar inside was broken, so we've put a brand new J-bar inside the pen. Okay, so there's the section, slight lip there towards the nib, and then as you can see there, it's got a lovely nib, quite a large nib as well. Okay, now the imprint there reads Stevens, warranted, 14 karat gold, and then to the bottom it's got the number 270, which is the correct nib for this pen. Now once again, because Stevens didn't make any pens for themselves, the nib itself here would have actually been made by another company. Yet again, maybe Langs, maybe Summit, and they had it engraved with the Stevens name. There's a sideways view. You'll notice that the before video we had a slight bend in the nib. I've managed to straighten that out. We've got the feed underneath. This sort of ladder feed, as you can see, is lovely and clean as it should be. And as we said, it's ready to write, ready to go to a new owner. A nice, comfortable pen to hold, even with my large hands. Now again, because you know it's been fully cleaned internally, we've got a new sack. I'm not going to fill the pen, but because you people like to see pens writing, what we'll do, I'll just get a tissue to the side. What we'll do a dip test, and let's see how the pen writes. This is also for my own reference, because this is the first time the pens get tested. So what you see is what I see. So we've got a Stevens LEVERFILL number 270, made in England, and I would say made in England by the Lang Pen Company of Liverpool. It's writing nicely. Does it have any flex? Not a great deal. But a very nice writer, as you can see. So I would say it's writing with a medium line. Writing very nicely, as I've just said. Very nice indeed. So let's pop that to one side. Let's just give the nib a quick wipe. And what we'll do, we'll clean the nib once the video has been done and have it ready for a new owner. So yet again, another stunning pen from my previous pen haul. This beautiful green marbled Stevens LEVERFILL number 270. Very nice indeed. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment, don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel as well if you will, and just down there press that thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. But for now, I'm going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.